Does it all make sense? Yeah. Then why aren't you hiding? Your 10 minutes of hiding has already started, so go hide! Hide!